Hey everyone, welcome back to the Health Blueprint. Today we're tackling one of the most common fitness goals, how to get six-pack abs fast. Whether you're preparing for a special event or just want to level up your fitness game, I've got a complete guide to help you achieve visible abs in the shortest time possible. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, there's no magic pill for abs. Visible six-pack abs are a result of two things: reducing body fat and strengthening your core muscles. Remember, abs are made in the kitchen and revealed through consistency. Let's break this down into 3 essential steps: diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Step 1, clean up your diet. To burn fat, you need to be in a caloric deficit, meaning you're consuming fewer calories than you burn. Focus on lean proteins like chicken, fish, eggs, and tofu, complex carbs like oats, quinoa, and sweet potatoes, healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is key to keeping your metabolism running smoothly. Cut out sugary drinks, processed snacks, and excess alcohol. Step 2, targeted ab exercises combined with full body workouts. Here's a quick ab-focused circuit you can try. Plank hold, 60 seconds. Builds core stability. Bicycle crunches, 20 reps. Targets upper and lower abs. Leg raises, 15 reps. Focuses on lower abs. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. Burns calories and engages the core. Repeat this circuit 3 times for maximum burn. But remember, ab exercises alone won't give you a six-pack. Combine these with high-intensity interval training, height or weight training to shed fat faster. Step 3, optimize your lifestyle. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep can lead to weight gain and hinder recovery. Consistency. Stick to your plan for at least 8 to 12 weeks to see visible results. Stress management. High stress increases cortisol levels, which can lead to fat storage around your belly. Practice yoga, meditation, or deep breathing. There you have it, a complete guide to getting six-pack abs fast. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Start with small changes, stay consistent, and trust the process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Health Blueprint, and drop your questions in the comments below. Let's achieve those fitness goals together. See you next time.